Next, this is video number 3. This video number 3 says is a continuation of previous video number 2. In this video, we are going to start with moving up from menus to natural interaction. Normally, this menu will be shown like a button that is remote like sort of thing, whereas this natural interaction consisting of, that is, we are going to moving from menus to natural interaction. That the left hand side image shows about the 3D user interface and 2D user interface in 3D. That is a kind of menu sort of thing. The right hand side says about natural 3D interactions. Next, natural interface concept is named world builder. This world builder has been used in various about thing. Next, previously it is like this, but now it is shown like this. World builder today is available. That is based on a joystick. We are going to select options. Based on option, the action will be performed. Next, we have reality, visions and reality. Vision concept natural interface, gesture, speech, wide field or view or full body input. The limited input consisting of wireless, limited range tracking, reduced field of view, 2D GUI in VR. That is natural interface, vision concept natural interface, gesture, speech, wide field of view and full body input. Whereas limited input concept wireless, limited range tracking, reduced field of view and 2D GUI in VR. Next, we have universal 3D interaction task in VR. The first consists of object interaction. This object interaction can be picking up object from the set and manipulation. What you are going to do with that is modifying the object properties. That is object interaction. Next, we are going to have navigation. Navigation means traveling or wayfinding. Traveling means motor component of viewpoint motions. As wayfinding consists of cognitive component and decision making thing. A system control. This system control is issued in a command to change system state or mode. The universal 3D task in VR concept three things. First is object interaction, navigation and system control. Object interaction concept selection and manipulation. A selection concept picking object from a set. Manipulation concept modifying object properties. The navigation consisting of travel or wayfinding. This travel concept motor component of viewpoint motions. Wayfinding concept cognitive component and decision making. System control. The system control concept issuing a command to change system state or mode. Next, we have consider of object interaction. The object interaction consisting of selection and manipulation. Actually, we say that selection is nothing but specifying one or more object from a set of objects. Whereas manipulation, you are going to modify the object properties such as you are going to modify position, orientation, scale, shape or color, texture, behavior. So you are going to manipulate or modify the objects. Next, goal of selection comes indicate action on object, query object, make object active, travel to object location and set up manipulation. The selection goals consisting of indicate action on object, query object, make object active, travel to object location and set up manipulation. Next, selection performance. The selection performance is a variable affecting user performance versus object distance from the user, object size, density of object in area and occluders. Selection performance consisting of object distance from the user, object size, density of object in area and occluders. The classification of selection technique consisting of selection, the indication of object, confirmation of object and feedback. Indication of object concept of occlusion, object touching, pointing, indirect selection. The object touching concept list, voice selection, automatic iconic object selection. The pointing concept 2D, 3D gauze and 3D hand. And indirect selection concept 1-to-1, that is nothing but 1-to-1 or position to position or velocity to position or position to velocity. Confirmation of selection. The confirmation selection concept event, gesture, voice command and no explicitly command. And the feedback concept text or symbolic feedback or oral feedback or visual feedback, force or tactical feedback. The selection technique of three ticks: indication of object, confirmation of selection and feedback. Indication of object concept occlusion, object touching, object in the list, voice selection, automatic and iconic objects, pointing on the 2D, 3D gauze and 3D hand selection. Next, you have indirect selection. Indirect selection of position to position, velocity to position or position to velocity. Next, selection technique consists of confirmation of selection. Confirmation selection consists of event, gesture, voice command, no explicitly command and feedback. The feedback concept of text is symbolic, oral, visualization and force or tactical feedback. This is a classification of selection technique which is used in VR. Hence, thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will be useful for you. Hence, thank you for watching video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.